Good day, dear students. Welcome to Chapter 2 of our lesson on Transportation Engineering 1. This chapter will give you an overview of the highway economics and finance. Highways have been very important in the development and sustainability of our societies. Highways dominate the transportation system as they provide critical access for the movement of goods and people. Logistics for goods, natural resources, production, retail, marketing, and the movement of people in their daily activities. Highways have played important role in the economic growth. In many countries like our country, the Philippines, huge investments on highway transportation infrastructure have been happening. If you have heard the Build program under this current administration, it has been progressing and a lot has been done and is ongoing. Construction, operation, and maintenance of these infrastructures, improvements in the operational efficiency, various traffic congestion relief measures, energy conservation, improved safety, and environmental mitigation all entails cost and engineering and traffic analysis. So that's why we are going to have the overview of this chapter. So at the end of this lesson, you should be able to identify the elements of highway transportation cost. Second, discuss the benefits of highway improvements. And third is define highway finance. So this will be the coverage of this chapter, the highway transportation cost and the highway finance. Highway transportation cost is the sum of the highway investment costs, maintenance and operation costs, and the highway user cost or HUC. Now, this slide shows you more detail of the investment cost, maintenance cost, and the operating cost. The investment cost is the cost of preparing a highway for it to serve according to its purpose. So these include the planning, design, and construction costs that entails the preparation for this investment. And the maintenance cost is the cost of preserving a highway and its pertinences, keeping them in serviceable condition. So the keyword here is the cost of preservation. And then the operating cost is the cost that includes the traffic control devices, the wages for enforcers, the toll collectors, and other needs. Now this table shows you the examples of highway transportation costs. Okay, so let's look at this. Highway investment costs may include the engineering design costs, the one for right-of-way, for the grading of the highway, for the drainage, and the pavement itself. For highway maintenance costs, these include the mowing, the care of roadside parks, lightings, markings, and paintings. For highway user costs, for motor vehicle operating costs, it includes the fuel, oil, tires, mechanic fee. So if you have a vehicle, you have to have the maintenance of the vehicle every time. And the highway user costs also include the travel time costs. This is the total vehicle hours of the travel for each value of time. And then you have the accident cost. These are the estimated accident rates times the unit cost of accident. And then we have the transit capital costs. These are the costs in the terminal, shops, administrative offices, and the like. Transit operating costs include wages of driver, the fuel lubrication, terminal fee, toll fee, and others. And transit user costs include transit costs and travel time. So the costs include the sum of fares, the auto running costs to get to the terminal. And then the travel time include the waiting time or the time of riding times how much is the value of time. Now, we have mentioned a while ago that the highway costs includes the capital and the maintenance costs and the construction costs. So in terms of a simple equation, we can say that highway cost is equal to the capital cost plus the annual cost of maintenance. So capital cost includes the initial cost that and others that we have seen a while ago. There are several benefits that highways provide the users. The most quantifiable and most significant benefit of highway improvements is the reduction of the user cost. For example, companies, when delivering goods or services to their clients, can save time and cost when they use the highway. Another example is employees get to work through this access. So we have these direct benefits result from a reduction in highway user cost. And then there are also indirect benefits, which includes benefits of adjacent property and the general public. Where there is the highway, people are there, businesses boom, and economic activities happen. In summary, these are the examples of benefits from highway improvements. First is the reduction in operation cost, reduction in travel time, reduction in accident rates, ease of driving, and comfort and convenience.